back in with another video, and today I'm going back to my origin, car content. Right now we're working on the Taurus, and this thing has been causing me a lot of problems. I have to replace the VVT. My boot has a crack in it. I have to replace the valve cover, gaskets, and all the little seals that goes along with that. What else? I had to change this O2 sensor, even though I changed the other one under the freaking left passenger side tire, which wasn't even the right one. Then another code came on. So now we're doing this, and my car is getting 11 miles per gallon, which is terrible. Freaking hood can't even hold up, Jesus. But the dunk, I got a carburetor for the dunk. Dunk content is coming soon. Not too much left on this. I got an electric choke, so I need to wire that up or have somebody wire it up, because the dunk has been getting no love. I might go ahead and throw that carburetor on today since I'm already in the groove of working on things, but need to get this bottom radiator hose for this. What else? Need to get a hose with an elbow. Need to rewire my ignition because the freaking mechanic did something with the starter. Need to plug this back up. Rethreaded my crank bolt. I don't think I recorded that. My pulley. Don't know where the bolts are for this, so a few things that I need to do. Make sure my brakes work. I think my brakes do work. I'm not sure. I don't know if this battery is dead or not. Need some antifreeze. It all came out when I had took out the radiator and freaking rethreaded the crank bolt. So yeah, today gonna be a little car content. Might get some night content too though. Gotta stay putting the videos out, but yeah, y'all stay tuned. Just updating y'all on the vlog in the cars. All right, y'all, we finally got everything out, all of these. Now it's time to remove this and see what's under here. Got to change this out. Have to replace the valve covers. Then after that, we're gonna see if it works. Now I got to get a boot, and no telling what else I'm gonna see. Got this gas dripping right here. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I was just checking back in and letting y'all know. All of this to take that freaking bolt out. Now we gotta replace the gasket, put on these new boots on each of these screws, then put it all back together, put in all these wires. Which one?
That B4K, let's go. Before nigga playing this song. We still have emotion. We still in the hood, them soldiers. Still have emotion. Let's go. Still have emotion, we still get it in the hood with a fin, just me and my soldiers. Free out my niggas who locked in the pen, my big cutter Joseph off a Motorola. My nigga got life, but he rockin' and rollin'. He play with my bro, we gon' strike it, we bowlin'. Bitch, I'm from the J where it get a little colder. I'm hangin' with niggas who be a little older. I be with the niggas who be a little wise, but we still up to fall even blind. We ain't tryna hear it, addressing attention, make one wrong move and the whole gang slide. We ain't finna sweat.
Boosie ain't made a song with like Lil Wayne or nobody.
My nigga drink, we on it.
Nigga play with the game, you know we exposed.
Wasn't no seal or nothing on it, was it? Look at that old one.
The seal go.
It's on the outside?
Yeah, with that seal.
What that old one look like?
Good sun, it's, oh my gosh. He was saying Mo 3, Yellow Beezy, and Trap Boy was supposed to be like Zillionaire now. You get that snug, huh?
Hanging off in the same place?
Finally got all the gaskets out. Time to put the new gaskets in. Put this gasket in. Got the new part in, as y'all seen. Got that nice and tight in. Yeah, now it's time just to start the process of putting everything back together and praying it worked. Okay, finally got the gaskets in. On the EcoBoost 3.5 Police Interceptor or Show Ford Taurus, when you're removing the gaskets and replacing them, you need a socket and a hammer to get these out, because these are hard gaskets. These aren't soft gaskets. So just letting anyone know that's wanting to change and replace valve cover gaskets or the VVT, you're going to need a socket and a hammer and some lubricant so they can go in and out flushly, because it took us a while to figure it out, but now that we know, the job is going much easier. And when replacing the VVT, you need to take off the valve cover gasket. I thought it would be an easy job, you just come, but no, you gotta take off the whole valve cover gasket. We'll need to replace this seal, which is right here on the other side. Let me show y'all that. Need to make sure all your seals are good, and if you have a Police Interceptor, the Show is the same engine, so when going to a parts store, just get the Show parts. They're cheaper. I don't know why. I didn't replace these. I can replace those with the valve cover gasket back on if I need to, but I was just updating and letting anyone know on YouTube that needs to replace that part, because ran into a little bit of trouble. That's honestly what took the most time. Now I need to replace the boot and just get to putting this back together. It's getting a little hot outside, so yeah, I'll let y'all guys know. But anyone new to the channel, this will be a separate video. I'm just letting people know that are new or looking for advice on how to fix and change a valve cover gasket on a 3.5 EcoBoost. That's what you need to do. You need to get you a socket, beat out those hardened gaskets with a hammer, and get some lubricant, and they'll go flush. But y'all stay tuned. About to get to putting this back together. Currently at the parts store looking for a boat. I done broke a freaking valve cover gasket boat, and I don't know where I'm going. But dang, I need to test the size and make sure they're the same. I really don't be coming here. Where's their thing here? Hold on, y'all. Let me set y'all up real quick. This is gonna be a long vlog. Get some videos out this weekend. Still haven't posted that Arkansas vlog when I went and tried out. Haven't heard back from that coach. It's tough, man. It's tough. Tough being tough. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I need to find I might have to call somebody over here, honestly. They have so many boats. This is ridiculous. Hold on, yeah, I'll tune back in once I get out of here. Coming back to update the vlog, got that new boat and now we're putting it all back together. Just have to put on the throttle body, put this on, put all these on, and yeah, but it's coming to update y'all. Well, moment of truth. Let's see. Everything's put back together except for putting that right there. We're about to see what the motor's looking like. Oh man, come on, man. Long day, long day. Okay, let's go look. About to go take it on a drive, deleted the code, everything. Seems idled down. About to hit this road. Hold on, y'all. I'm sweating, so I'm gonna drive it without the AC on real quick. Shake some real quick. Ugh. Make sure. Yeah. Man, because this car honestly needs some work. Can't be mad, got it for a decent price, but at the end of the day, I am going to be mad because it's causing me headaches and money. Spent like $300 on this car in the past 3 days. And that YouTube money not hitting yet, man. So, yeah. I got to work a few days to get that. But it's cool, all part of the process. Now I need to get on the donk. Hopefully everything's good with this. Sounds like it idled down a bit and everything. There go Tanaya. No telling where she going, but yeah, let's see. Let's see. This Taurus quick. I do hear the turbos a little better. Let's see. Now you gotta push it a little bit. Just a little bit. Gotta make sure this mud moving good. This car's got some power. About to go back to Tractor Supply and take back these boats that didn't work. Still need to give me a 10 speed, man. Still need to get me a 10 speed. But everything seems cool right now. No light popped back up. We'll see when I pull up to Tractor Supply and come back out. AC's on, by the way, but second startup, looking good. Trying to make sure there's no oil leaking. Yeah. I need to clean my car up a little bit, but everything seems to be working pretty decently. Yeah, but good old Taurus, man. Thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions about a 2014 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.5 EcoBoost, just comment it down below or hit me up on anything. Tony C go crazy on everything. But shout out to all the new subs. We're at 652. Keep running it up. More content coming. About to drop this video before Sunday. Let's get it out before Sunday, which is tomorrow. Today is the 28th, I believe. So let's get this posted before the 30th. But yeah, 2014 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.5 EcoBoost. For more info, just hit me up. Hey man, thanks for the support.